What is up, guys? It is a beautiful, what day is today? Saturday in Pennsylvania. Very, very nice, like 40 something degrees. So figure I pull the Evo out and go get some groceries or something. I don't know, but yeah, maybe try some launches, practice some launches. I don't know yet. Who says Evos can't be grocery getters? Well, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, pretty much. Just a little, cruise around. Me burning the shit out of my clutch on that launch, which was horrible. Need to shake my hood out because I got stuff in there, if you heard that. But plans for this winter, I want to kind of clean up the bay a little bit. I also bought a whole new fuel system. I know you guys watched I know I had a video of me putting the double pumper in with the AN lines the whole way up to the rail for the feed lines only, but I actually got a return AN fitting kit as well. I believe it's, I want to say it's -8 or -8 fitting from the return at the tank to the rail, because I was having really high fuel pressure ever since I put that double pumper in. So I'm hoping with the bigger return line, it will drop the pressure down a little bit. That way I don't have to keep drilling the siphon tube out, or the H tube, whatever the hell you want to call it, that's in the fuel pump or in the fuel assembly. Because since then I went back to my stock setup. Here is the double pumper. Neat. This is the double pumper that I had in it. All I did was take my high pressure 450 and put it in my single pump. I still have the regular pressure Walbro 450 in my double pumper kit. So planning to do an entire fuel system this winter, and what I really want to do is get a retune on E85 with the current setup that I have. Try to make 600 wheel on a Mustang dyno, or make like 630 to 640 on virtual dyno, whatever you want to call it. Depends on how I go with the tuning route. I don't know if I'm gonna just road tune it or get a actual tune. And Also, I'm definitely going to road tune my 93 map. It's 93, I don't really care. I'm just going to try to get an actual tune on it because it is just a base map right now. Virtual Dyno or Evo Scan says that it's like, I think 380 something, which is just horseshit. I know that it can probably make 450 on 93, just regular 93, and hoping for that 600 mark on E85. But that'll wrap this video up. See you guys in the next one.